HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, so messing with the chopper again. Got this old S&S on there, and it still runs and rides all right. Just not super happy with it, and I've changed out some jets on it and done some stuff with it, but still can't make it like I want it to be. So I ended up ordering another one of these Chinese S&S copies. This is a Paughco. This one looks like it's a better condition one than the one I ordered last time, which was really, really cheap. This one seems a little bit better made than that one even. But the other one did fine. In that video, you can see it right here. So it was on the Sporty. Let's see how this one does. I did throw this air cleaner back on here. And this thing, there's no filament or in here or anything because this carburetor is so rich that it doesn't seem to do right. So I'm going to have to start over fresh for that one and just try it out and see. All right, guys, so I got the other one here, and the bolts do fit the same. I went in and tried that, and got it pulled off here, and all that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna start trying to fit the other carburetor up. My assumption is it's gonna fit perfectly because the bolts are the same. They didn't like switch to metric or something crazy, so that is good. And then I got a couple pieces I'm gonna move over onto this one like that. Choke, enrichener, whatnot. Then move the fuel line over, and then we'll see what it does. All right, guys, got the two bolts in here, and new carburetor looks nice and good on there. So I'm gonna move over throttle, fuel line, and enrichener, and then see if it'll run. Well, it worked. Got it all on here, and it bike fired right up better than it ever has before. It shoots a fire though. It is running a little lean because this little vacuum port right here is had a little cap on it, but blew the cap off. Probably to get another cap, maybe zip tie or something. But it's not affecting it that much, but I can feel it sucking in a little bit. So got to get that on there, give it a little bit more adjustment. I only did a tiny bit just to see how it does. But it's running pretty good so far. Better than it ever has before. It's a lot easier to change a carburetor than it is a clean one, that's for sure. main pop on deceleration, but I might have a little bit of a leak around the intake boots or something. Probably need to check that. But overall, it's not too bad. A little more tuning on it, fix that little cap, maybe even try an air cleaner, see how bad that would be. Might be still too rich, but it's doing pretty good. Right, guys, it's been a month or so since I changed out that carburetor, and the carburetor did fantastic. And then battery was a little weak on me. I've actually pulled it out. It's in the white bike now. The white bike actually runs great with it because it's fuel injected, so it doesn't take, he just literally boom, and it's bumming. This thing takes a few minutes to get going. So in the process, because this thing's so heavy duty, it kicks back a little bit, starts ripping teeth off of the Kevlar belt, which is insane. You would not think that would be possible. So he kicked back on me 2 or 3 times, ripped a few teeth off. It's actually still enough teeth to actually run because it has to wrap around the whole thing, which is kind of funny. But I've got to figure out either I'm going to get another belt, or I've seen some guys running to go back to the chain and just keeping it greased and having a chain in there. Sure, it's noisier, but this thing might just have too much compression and not a big enough hole to put a larger battery. I mean, there's really not much of a space in there. I got to figure out something. I don't know what I'm going to do, but it was running perfect. And that's choppers for you. All right, guys, make sure you check out the website. We've added thousands and thousands of awesome motorcycle parts. We've got apparel on there. We've got extended front forks, fenders, frames, anything you can think of. Check it out.